Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use PayPal without bank account. PayPal allows you to send and receive money, pay online and shop even if you do not have a bank account. Instead of a bank, you can fund your PayPal account using a debit or credit card, receive money from others or add funds via other methods depending on your country. First, open any of your web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down paypal.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface, what you can do is on the right hand side we can find to this link a card. Click onto this link a card here, and over here what you can do is simply enter all of your card details. This card will act as a payment method instead of a bank account, and select to this link card over here. And after that you can receive money, payments from friends, family, or the online buyers. Funds will be stored in a PayPal balance, and you can find it under here under the activity. And the limitation: without a bank account you cannot withdraw to a bank account, but you can use your balance or the link card for the payments, and some countries may allow people cash cards or other ways to access your balance. And that is it. This is how you can use your PayPal without bank account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.